Hey, I'm Papul, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. In that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, opening doors to financial opportunities they never thought was possible. Not only have I shown people how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free, but I've also helped countless individuals save big on holidays and make credit work for them, not against them. And here's the kicker. I've been able to help multiple people secure funding of over hundreds of thousands, even as young as 19 years old. With the right strategy, anything is possible. If you're ready to take control of your credit and unlock massive rewards and access funding that can change your life, you're in the right place, and let's make it happen. Now, you're probably paying full price for flights and hotels watching this video and vacations. What if I told you that you never have to pay for travel again? That's right, completely free flights, luxury hotels, and upgrades, all using credit card points. I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. Even if you've never used a travel credit card before, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to book your first free trip. Step number 1 is understanding what points and miles are. So how does this work? Banks want your business. That's why they offer massive sign-up bonuses for credit cards. When you spend a certain amount in the first 3 to 6 months, you get rewarded with points. These points can be converted into flights, hotels, or even cashback. There are 2 main types of rewards: credit card points, that be with your American Express, Capital One, Virgin Card, Barclays, Chase. They're flexible and can transfer to airlines and hotels. And then you also have airline miles and hotel points. These are locked to one brand, but often more valuable for specific redemptions. The key is to understand how to earn them efficiently. Step number 2 is choosing the right credit cards. If you're just getting into travel hacking, the best first card you can get is the American Express Gold Card, without a doubt. Here's why. Massive welcome bonus. You can get up to 60,000 American Express points after spending £4,000 in the first 6 months. That's enough for a free international flight anywhere in the world. You get insane earning rates. It gives 4 times points on dining and groceries. That's better than most other travel cards. Now, you also get easy redemptions. American Express points can transfer to over 20 airlines and hotels, meaning that you have tons of options for free travel. It also has loads of hidden perks where you can get loads of credits, free dining credits every single year. Now, if you spend money on yourself, which everyone does, this card is basically for you and it pays for itself. Step number 3 is meeting the minimum spend without overspending. Some people worry, how do I hit the spending requirements without going broke? Easy hack to hit the minimum spend. Make sure to pay for everything using your credit card. Buy gift cards and use them for future expenses. And there are other ways that you can go about it, like manufactured spend, which we'll touch on later down the line. Now, step number 4 is actually maximizing your points value. Not all redemptions are equal. If you redeem points for cashback, it's often worth half of what a free flight would be. And that's why I get a lot of people messaging me, DMing me saying, oh, what you're saying is bullshit. You can't travel for free. Points are useless. No, they're not useless. You just don't know how to use the points correctly. So one way you can use them is transferring them to airlines and hotel partners like Virgin, Emirates, Qatar Airways, American Airlines, your Marriott hotels, your Hilton hotels. Use travel portals like the American Express Travel to move it over, then look for sweet spots. Some programs let you fly business class for literally economy prices. For example, 50,000 points equivalates to about £500, or a £1,500 international flight. Now, the final step, which is step number 5, is actually booking your first free flight. Now, let's book a real flight using points. Step number 1, check Google Flights for the cash price. Now, step number 2 is to compare the price in points via the airline's website. Let's say you're flying with Emirates, you'll go to emirates.com and check their point redemption value. After you do this, you will transfer your points from the American Express website to the airline instantly. Step number 4 is to book the flight and pay around £5 to £100 in taxes for literally a £5,000 flight. So my final tips and the next steps for you would be to stack credit cards strategically. Once you get comfortable, combine multiple sign-up bonuses for insane value. Always pay your balance in full. This is not free travel if you're paying interest. Join travel hacking communities. There are secret deals that only the experts know that don't like to share. That's why I've built one of the biggest credit hacking communities known as Credit Club. Understanding how to travel with points is just the beginning, guys. And that's also exactly why I've put together a completely free credit masterclass with over 2 hours of content showing you everything that you need to maximize your credit journey. So check the video where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how to use the information inside to turn credit into free travel and a source of income. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with where you travel first, and don't forget to subscribe.